So when it comes to the work items that we work on within organizations, we have three types of work items, if you like. We have portfolio initiatives that are aligned on how do we deliver our strategy. Then we have our features, if you like, which are work items that we can have a conversation with our customers and say, okay, is this what you want? What are the things you want? And then we have stories. And stories are the work items that the teams can collaborate on and deliver. And the stories will lead to a feature being delivered, and features will lead to us deciding that we got enough value out of a portfolio initiatives, or we've learned enough to say this is not the right thing to go after. So our next workshop is about that, is about how do we craft the right portfolio initiatives as epics. What is the benefit hypothesis that we write? How do we know the early indicators there are? How do we define the minimum viable product that this epic can deliver? What's the minimum slice that we can do in order to test the hypotheses? So these will allow us to ensure that as an organization, we practice this iterative and incremental, in other words, gaining knowledge and then investing based on what we learn. And that investment could be that we're not going to invest anymore, because what we've just learned is that this is not the right way to go. Or we might pivot to say, well, actually, yes, this whole thing, or what we were taught we're going to go, is not the right thing. But we've discovered that there is a part of this, or a feature, or an adjacent market where the needs are there, and we can pivot and explore that. So that's one of the things we can do, and it's part of this workshop. The other one is also exactly the same thing, but now focusing on features. How do we define feature benefit hypotheses? What's a good feature look like? How do we test it? How do we write it? How do we get the environment where we have a shared understanding of what that feature is all about? So these two, if you like, the epics and the feature writing workshops are key to ensuring that we got alignment with the portfolio, ensuring that we are not investing in what we do not know and we don't need right now, because the epic and the features, they're both hypotheses. So we don't want to go out there and try and invest a lot and find out we were on the wrong path. How do we get, with minimum investment, the maximum knowledge? We gain the maximum knowledge from the market, the customers, and explore more and get after what our customers need and deliver more value and business to our organization. So that's another workshop that is out there, and you can reach out at hello@valueglide.com to book the workshop for you, which will be delivered in your context using your portfolio initiatives and the features that you have.